Hey guys, Vlad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how Lingo Blaster can help you rank and translate your videos into multiple languages. So first things first, we are going to need to select the account and the video that we want to translate. So in this case I'm going to go with this video, Make Money Online Tactics in 2020. I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to move to the next step. In this step we need to select the languages. Let's go with Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, and I am also going to select Romanian. Perfect. Now let's move to the next step. Right here you can select exclusion words, but I'm going to skip this, and we just wait a bit and the translation is done. That's it. So Lingo Blaster translated our video details into multiple languages with no extra effort. We simply hit publish, and now the translated title and descriptions are published on YouTube. So as you can see, this is very easy to use. Now, besides a lot of other tweaks and improvements on the translation engine, what comes new in Lingo Blaster 2 is the ability to translate captions. Just imagine translating subtitles for hundreds and hundreds of videos, right? And targeting foreign audiences. When somebody from any country would see your video, they would instantly understand your video and you could make a lead or a sale. So let's see what we need to do here. Again, we need to select the video that we want to translate. So I'm going to select the same video and I'm going to move to the next step. In this step, we are going to select the languages in which our subtitle will be translated to. So I'm going to go with Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, and also Romanian. Let's move to the next step. Here we just read the captions from YouTube, go to the next step, and that's it. The translations are done. So all the subtitles are now translated in Spanish, German, French. Hit publish, and they are now on YouTube. So that's it, that's all that you need to do in order for Lingo Blaster to translate your title, description, and subtitles so you can start targeting foreign audiences. Now let's see the results. So I open YouTube in a private tab, and I'm going to select the language in Romanian. So I'm going to change the YouTube language to Romanian right here. And now I'm going to paste in the title in the Romanian language. So, câștig de bani online, tactici în 2020. As you can see, on the third position, our video is already ranking. This is unbelievable. So our video that's in English is actually ranking for the foreign search term. Just imagine how much traffic you could get by ranking with Lingo Blaster. So as you can see, the subtitle is in Romanian, the title is in Romanian, the description is in Romanian. So any Romanian guy who would see our video, he would see the title, the description in Romanian, and he would understand the video because the subtitle is in Romanian, right? Now let's open a new private tab and let's search with the German keyword. So I'm going to paste the German keyword right here, give a search, and take a look here. On the fourth position, our video is ranking for the German keyword. So this is the same video, we didn't change it, we just used Lingo Blaster. Now let's change again the language. Let's set it to Deutsch, that's German. And as you can see, the subtitle again is in German, the title is in German, and the description is in German. So again, like with the Romanian language or with any other language, the viewer will understand the video and you could make a sale, a lead, and a new client, of course. Let's give it another test, the final test with Portuguese. So let's type in the Portuguese keyword in the search and the second position. So we're ranking on the second spot for the Portuguese keyword. That's unbelievable. So we are ranking in so many languages right now. Let's check the video. Let's change again the language to Portuguese and let's see what happens. All right, the title, the description is in Portuguese, of course, as like with the other languages. So these are the results that you can expect by using Lingo Blaster. Don't forget that only 25% of online searches are done in English, and by using Lingo Blaster, you will be able to target the 75% of the market that is not tapped by anybody else. I really hope you enjoyed this demo video and you're going to grab your hands on Lingo Blaster too. Thanks a lot.